Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great today. I've been trying the Plum Goodness Mandarin and Vitamin C Serum, which is this that I've been trying out, and I wanted to come and talk about how it worked on my skin as I've been using it for past 2 weeks. But before starting with the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So don't forget to click on that notification bell so that you can get regular updates. This vitamin serum has 15% of vitamin C and is a glow booster, which is written over here. This is what the outer packaging looks like. All the details are mentioned, including the ingredients and everything at the back, as well as for how much it costs for the quantity. So it's a 20 ml product which is fragrance free and it costs rupees 550. Before talking about the serum, I wanted to talk in general about vitamin C, that why it is important in these days. For past 5-6 years only, vitamin C has come into play in regular skincare routine because of the increasing pollution and atmosphere changes around us. Thinking about vitamin C in general, it has antioxidant properties and is anti-aging. It helps to improve skin texture, therefore it helps to reduce pigmentation also. It brightens up dull skin, hence promoting skin glow. These are like the basic properties of vitamin C which usually helps in our skincare to make our skin smooth, soft and supple. Doctors recommend vitamin C to be of concentration between 5 to 20%, anything in between. But this vitamin C that we have is a 15% concentration. Though the usage is written to use it 1 to 2 times a day according to your preference, as it's a 15% concentration, I would advise to use only once because that is more than enough. You do not need to be aggressive on your skin. You can see over here what all is written regarding the vitamin C as well as what Plum Goodness needs to speak about. Here are the steps of how to use. Talking about how to use in general only, and I would suggest to do a patch test first. It's really important whenever you're trying any skincare to do a patch test, because if you have hypersensitive skin, you need to check if it's okay for you. It says not advised for hypersensitive skin, so it's really important for the patch test. Your face needs to be squeaky clean. Just wash your face out, pat dry it, apply this vitamin C, and after that you need to apply your moisturizer or sunscreen. If you are going out of your house, do not forget to apply sunscreen because heat damages vitamin C. For vitamin C comes in a glass bottle. This is what the inner packaging looks like, guys, and in this glass bottle which is dark and opaque, so that the vitamin C properties of vitamin C does not get lost in this. Using it for past 14 days and I've been seeing amazing results. My skin texture has improved a lot. I can see some glow on my face also, which is really good. So I would highly recommend this product to you guys. Talking about Plum products in general, Plum products are basically fragrance free, SLS free, paraben free, and even not animal tested, which is a really good thing. And also it costed me rupees 550 for 20 ml of the product, and the expiry is for 2 years. Though if you have opened up the bottle, you need to finish it within 6 months. Packaging also have all the details mentioned. Comes in this dropper, which becomes really easy to take the product. You can see over here the product has no color at all and it easily gets absorbed into the skin without any issue. Overall, I've been loving this vitamin C a lot, but you will apply on your face if you have any active acne or if your skin is hypersensitive. Please do a patch test first. That I would surely recommend. Love the product and I would rate it as 8 out of 10. Do comment down below if you have used the product and how you have been liking it. Also, please give a thumbs up to this video. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Mwah. Bye.